Hi everyone. Mouse gestures are a powerful way to control your web browser using custom mouse movements. However, if you find that you're accidentally activating mouse gestures, or if you simply prefer to use keyboard shortcuts or the mouse pointer, you can disable mouse gestures in Opera GX. In this video, we'll show you how to disable mouse gestures in Opera GX. We'll also discuss some of the benefits of disabling mouse gestures, and we'll provide some tips for using Opera GX without mouse gestures. Click the settings icon in the top right corner of the window. Click Advanced and then Browser. Under Shortcuts, toggle the Enable Mouse Gestures switch to the Off or On position. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any other questions, please let me know in the comments below.